Hello viewers, I am going to discuss the change of narration of assertive sentences today in this video lecture. Earlier I have already talked about the general rules for the change of direct narration into indirect narration. Today I am going to talk about the change of narration of assertive sentences. An assertive sentence is a sentence that asserts something. It is of two kinds: affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Affirmative sentence affirms a statement. Example: he is a boy, she is a girl. Negative sentence negates a statement. Example: he is not doing his work, she is not going to her school, they are not playing cricket. They are examples of negative sentences. Now let me talk about the change, the rule for the change of assertive sentence into indirect narration. If the reported speech contains assertive sentence, it will change into indirect narration as follows. The first change that will take place is the change of reporting verb. Change of reporting verb. Reporting verb. The reporting verb which are usually used are tell, told, said, maintain, remark, etc. The second change is the change of pronoun. Change of connective, not pronoun. Change of connective. That is used as the connective. That. Number 3, change of pronoun. Change of pronoun. As I talked about earlier, the pronouns of the reported speech change into another pronoun in the indirect narration. The rule for the change of pronoun is that the first person pronoun of the reported speech will change according to the subject of the reporting verb. The second person pronoun of the reported speech will change according to the object of the reporting verb. The third person pronoun of the reported speech will remain the same. This is the rule for the change of pronoun. In short, we can say SON. First person according to the subject, second person according to the object, third person no change. Now, change 4 is the change of tense. Tense change. This is important change in narration. The change of tense takes place as follows. Number 1, if the reporting verb is present tense or future tense, then the tense of the reported speech will not change. Example: he said, I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. Look at this sentence. He says, this is present tense. I get up early in the morning. This is also in the present tense. So when I shall change it into indirect narration, it will become, he said that he gets up early in the morning. In the morning. When the tense of the reporting verb is past tense and the tense of the reported speech is present tense, then the tense of the reported speech will change into the corresponding past tense. Example, see, he said, I go to college daily. I go to college daily. I go to college daily. Here the reporting verb is in the past tense and the reported speech is in present indefinite tense. Now it will change into indirect narration as follows. He said that he went to college daily. That he went to college daily. He went to college daily. If the reporting verb is in the past tense and the reported speech is also in the past tense, then the past indefinite will change into past perfect tense and past imperfect tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. See the example. He said, I went to market yesterday. Indirect, he said that he had gone to market previously. Market the previous day. But if the reporting verb is past tense and reported speech contains a universal truth, then the tense of the reported speech will not change. Example, he said, time is money. Time is money. He said that time is money. There will be no change of the tense of the reported speech in such sentence. In the next class, I shall discuss the change of narration of interrogative sentences. Thanks.